Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. How does 5G improve network speed and capacity? 5G improves network speed and capacity by using advanced technologies such as massive MIMO and beamforming. These technologies enable more efficient use of radio frequencies and increased network capacity. Additionally, 5G networks use higher frequency bands, which enable faster data transfer speeds and lower latency. What is the role of massive MIMO in 5G technology? Massive MIMO, multiple input multiple output, is a key technology used in 5G networks. It involves using multiple antennas at the base station to transmit and receive signals from multiple devices simultaneously. This enables more efficient use of radio frequencies and increased network capacity. What is the role of beamforming in 5G technology? Beamforming is a crucial technology in 5G networks as it allows the network to improve its efficiency and capacity by directing a focused signal toward a specific user or location, rather than broadcasting signals uniformly in all directions. In a 5G network, beamforming is typically achieved through the use of phased array antennas, which can create a beam of radio waves that can be directed toward a specific user or location. How does 5G enable low latency and high reliability? 5G enables low latency and high reliability through technologies such as network slicing and edge computing. Network slicing allows operators to create virtual networks that are optimized for specific use cases, enabling low latency and high reliability. Edge computing involves: what is the difference between 5G and 5G NR? 5G, or fifth-generation cellular technology, is the latest standard in mobile network connectivity that promises to deliver faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and higher network capacity than its predecessors. The 5G New Radio, NR, is a specific type of radio technology that was developed as part of the 5G standard. 5G NR is the air interface for 5G, and it provides the technical specifications for the physical layer, i.e., the wireless signal, of the 5G network. In other words, 5G NR is the technical standard for the radio access network, RAN, that supports 5G technology. What are the different 5G deployment models? There are three main 5G deployment models: non-standalone, NSA, standalone, SA, and hybrid. In NSA, the 5G network relies on the existing 4G infrastructure to deliver 5G services, with 5G technology being used only for the data portion of the transmission. In SA, the 5G network operates independently of the existing 4G infrastructure and is built from the ground up. The hybrid model combines both NSA and SA, where the 5G network is deployed alongside the existing 4G infrastructure, but is also capable of operating independently. How does 5G enable the Internet of Things, IoT? 5G technology provides the necessary infrastructure to support the massive number of IoT devices that are expected to be connected to the Internet in the coming years. With its high network capacity, low latency, and ability to support massive machine-to-machine communication, 5G will enable a wide range of IoT applications, such as smart homes, smart cities, and industrial automation. 5G will also provide the necessary bandwidth and connectivity to enable real-time monitoring and control of IoT devices. How does 5G enable edge computing? 5G and edge computing are highly complementary technologies. 5G provides the necessary high-speed, low-latency connectivity to enable edge computing, while edge computing provides the necessary computing power and storage capabilities to process data close to where it is generated. Together, 5G and edge computing will enable a range of new applications and services that require low latency, high bandwidth, and real-time processing, such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and industrial automation. What are the key use cases for 5G technology? There are several key use cases for 5G technology, including enhanced mobile broadband. 5G promises to deliver faster download and upload speeds, allowing for richer, more immersive mobile experiences. Internet of Things, IoT 5G will enable a wide range of IoT applications, such as smart homes, smart cities, and industrial automation. Critical communications, 5G will provide the necessary infrastructure to support critical communication applications, such as emergency services and public safety. Industrial automation, 5G will enable real-time monitoring and control of industrial processes, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Smart cities, 5G will provide the necessary connectivity to enable a wide range of smart city applications, such as traffic management, environmental monitoring, and public services. How does 5G enable virtual and augmented reality? 5G's high bandwidth and low latency make it an ideal technology for enabling virtual and augmented reality applications. With 5G, users will be able to stream high-quality virtual and augmented reality content in real time without experiencing lag or buffering. This will open up a wide range of new applications, such as remote training and education, virtual meetings and events, and immersive gaming experiences. What are the key benefits of 5G for healthcare? 5G technology offers several key benefits for healthcare. Firstly, it provides faster and more reliable connectivity, enabling healthcare professionals to transmit large amounts of data quickly and securely. This can improve the quality of care and help to reduce diagnosis and treatment times. Secondly, 5G can support the development of new healthcare technologies, such as remote patient monitoring, telemedicine, and augmented reality-assisted surgeries. These technologies can improve access to healthcare services, particularly in rural or remote areas, and reduce the need for patients to travel for appointments. Thirdly, 5G can also support the development of smart hospitals and medical facilities. For example, it can enable the use of IoT devices for asset tracking, inventory management, and patient monitoring, which can improve operational efficiency and patient outcomes. How does 5G enable remote surgery? One of the most promising applications of 5G technology in healthcare is remote surgery. With its low latency and high bandwidth capabilities, 5G can enable surgeons to perform surgeries from remote locations, using robotic devices that are controlled in real time. This approach can offer several benefits, such as reducing the need for patients to travel for surgery, improving access to specialist surgeons, and reducing the risk of complications. It can also help to address the shortage of skilled surgeons in certain areas by enabling them to perform surgeries from a central location. To enable remote surgery, 5G networks need to provide ultra-reliable low-latency communication (URLLC) capabilities, which ensure that there is no delay or loss of data during the surgery. The use of edge computing can also help to reduce latency and improve the reliability of communication. What are the key benefits of 5G for transportation? 5G technology can offer several key benefits for transportation, particularly for the development of autonomous vehicles. Firstly, it can provide faster and more reliable connectivity, which is essential for real-time communication between vehicles, infrastructure, and the cloud. Secondly, 5G can support the development of new safety features, such as collision avoidance systems and remote monitoring, which can improve road safety and reduce the risk of accidents. Thirdly, 5G can also support the development of new mobility services, such as ride-sharing and on-demand transportation, which can improve access to transportation services and reduce congestion on the roads. How does 5G enable smart cities? 5G technology can play a key role in the development of smart cities by enabling a wide range of applications and services that can improve the quality of life for citizens. Some of the key ways that 5G can enable smart cities to include: improved connectivity. 5G networks can provide faster and more reliable connectivity, which is essential for the development of smart city applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart homes, and public safety systems. IoT connectivity. 5G can enable the deployment of large-scale IoT networks, which can be used for a wide range of applications such as smart waste management, environmental monitoring, and traffic management. Edge computing. 5G can also enable the deployment of edge computing infrastructure, which can process data closer to the source and reduce latency, enabling real-time decision-making for critical applications. What are the key benefits of 5G for agriculture? 5G technology has the potential to revolutionize the agriculture industry by enabling precision farming techniques and real-time monitoring of crops and livestock. With 5G, farmers can collect and analyze data on soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health, allowing them to make more informed decisions about planting and harvesting. Additionally, 5G can enable remote control of farm machinery, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. How does 5G enable smart manufacturing? 5G technology can enable smart manufacturing by providing real-time communication between machines and systems on the factory floor. With 5G, manufacturers can collect and analyze data on equipment performance, supply chain logistics, and customer demand, allowing them to optimize production processes and improve efficiency. Additionally, 5G can enable remote monitoring and control of machinery, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.